Today's Thursday, March 13, 2025. I'm Landry. Smart bets go. Well, P's rallied a bit off their best levels, though not very impressed with this. This market still feels like it needs more of a washout before we see a temporary low. You know what, Tito, one day at a time. Take a look at the NASDAQ, up a bit, better than poke in the eye, I suppose, but it too, I think, needs a little bit more of a washout before we could bottom out, at least temporarily. Take a look at the rest, same as it ever was, remaining in a downtrend. As I've said ad nauseum, a lot of these areas like cybersecurity that have recently broken out have come all the way back in some areas like internet, and then some, taking out the bottom of their range. Medical devices, another one of these areas that was doing okay, but then unfortunately has imploded. Defensive areas like drugs are coming right back in, so that's a bit of a bummer. This is why you don't want to necessarily chase relative strength when the market is headed lower. Semiconductors, a little bit of a bounce yesterday, but so far downtrend remains intact, and again, remain below a ton of overhead supply. Financials at brand new highs not too long ago, but unfortunately they have imploded from there. So what do we do? Well, again, it still feels like we need a little bit more of a washout. I'll explain that in a lot more detail later today in the chart show. I hope to see you there. For now, sit in your hands, let things shake out. Any questions, as usual, Dave, DaveLandry.com. I'm Dave Landry, and you heard of my minute.